Eating healthy does not have to taste like eating cardboard. If you stay throughout this entire video, I'm going to show you muscle building snack / dessert that's easy to make, simple, and you'll enjoy, natural ingredients and everything. So let's get in the kitchen. I mean, stay in the kitchen. Was that corny? I don't care. Let's get on with the video. So to make this anabolic protein goodness, we are going to need 6 ingredients. We have Fage yogurt, honey, cinnamon, dark chocolate, trail mix, and vanilla extract. And if you like the sound of that, those ingredients, let me know in the comments. Now the first step to making this anabolic protein goodness is to get a bowl. Then we're going to add our Fage yogurt. Now I prefer Fage yogurt to most yogurts because it has that nice creamy whipped cream like texture. Then we're going to drizzle in some honey. It's going to be that nice parallel or contrast to that acidity of the Fage. Then we're going to sprinkle in some cinnamon. It's going to be, again, a nice contrast to that acidity of the Fage. And it's going to bring out the honey a little bit more. And if you like the look of this snack so far, let me know in the comments. And also subscribe and turn on that bell if you haven't already. Then we're going to add a dash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Who doesn't like vanilla on top of their protein, yogurt, dessert, anabolic goodness? And then we're going to add in some trail mix on top. It's going to be a good combination because we have the richness and fullness of the Fage yogurt. Then we'll add in some trail mix for that extra crunch, flavor, and overall goodness of the snack / dessert. And then we're going to add in some chocolate pieces. Make sure it's dark chocolate, at least 70%. Here on this video I have an 86% Ghirardelli dark chocolate. Again, for that richness and overall goodness and taste of the protein muscle building snack / dessert. Now the nutrition content of this great amazing muscle building snack / dessert, we're looking at 358 calories, 24 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat, 5 grams of fiber, and 32 grams of sugar. Now, before anybody goes, oh my gosh, sugar! This has 32 grams of sugar! I want to say this, these sugars that I just stated, or the 32 grams I just stated, comes from the naturally derived sugars of this minimally processed natural ingredients to this muscle building snack / dessert. I don't think if you've ever heard somebody say, I've gotten sick for eating, for having too much organic honey or organic trail mix or minimally processed yogurt. Again, these sugars are natural. It's nothing bad or crazy. It's just naturally derived sugars. That's pretty much, if you eat in a moderate basis, pretty healthy for you. So don't worry, don't panic. It's naturally derived sugars. It's not the lab-made sugar that's thrown on more BS. So you're good on that, okay? Not only are you good with this muscle building snacks / dessert on the sugar end, you're also good with it on the versatility. You can add your own toppings, your own fruits if you want. Just make sure you're adding quality, minimally processed ingredients that you like. Also want to say that this is not a low-calorie food. Make sure you adjust the ingredients based on your goals and desires and preferences, and also talk to a licensed professional to make sure these are things that are okay for you to eat. And also, if you want a muscle building meal as well to couple it with this muscle building snack / dessert, I have a video on the top corner that you can look into. And I also want to say, on this channel we try to empower beginner and moderate fitness enthusiasts at home, in nutrition, and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. Because when you eat right and train hard, your body rewards you with muscle. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, weight your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.